So I just want to give a tour of this community vegetable garden that I built last year. Check out the difference now. Look, this is a square foot garden, but this year what I did is I put this landscaping fabric in and then I cut holes into each one and then transplanted all of this lettuce. And then I got some peas on the back, and I also built this trellis out of some old 2x4s and ripped it all and put it together. You can kind of see it right there. Over here I had this trellis, and then with these bricks just kind of made this extra spot, and I think this is a cabbage. If anyone knows, please let me know. I can't remember. And then I have some broccoli right over here growing, so I'm very surprised it doesn't get as much sun, but this is growing. And then I have another raised bed. This was actually all made from shipping pallets. This is one of the beginning of the 2020 projects. I was so bored, started building things out of old shipping pallets. And again, you can see it's got the landscaping fabric cut out. It looks really nice. Now if you go over here, you can see this all area is covered with vegetables. So I got lots of lettuce, and the remarkable thing is all this lettuce is actually from seeds that I collected from this very garden bed. And everyone was wondering, they're like, why are you letting it flower? And I'm like, because I wanted to collect the seeds, and lo and behold, this is what it looks like. So just an abundance of fresh vegetables that anybody in the community can come over on their daily walks and take with them home. It's just amazing. I haven't done any watering. It's just been raining, and all of this has come together. So let me know if there's any improvements you think I should do. I was gonna make a seat here. I actually had a seat and someone stole it, believe it or not. In like 2 days it was up. Someone actually took this nice little seat I had. So I was thinking about making one out of wood, maybe screwing it into each side so you can, so it's some kind of a bench where you can take a break, sit down, and look at a bunch of vegetables.